Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a Honeycomb ceramic soldering board for jewelry making or soldering electronics. Anything you're going to solder or even weld, you can put on here. It's lightweight, it reflects heat, and it's a very durable product. It's about 5 5/16 by 3 7/8 and only weighs 5.6 ounces. The material is Cordierite ceramic. It's acid resistant, it's non-asbestos, and flame resistant and non-combustible. It will withstand temperatures up to 2100 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can also put pins in here to hold your electronics when you're soldering, because it does have openings in there. Those holes go all the way through. One side has a slight protrusion, so you can pick up right there on the camera. The other side is totally flat. And I'm going to demonstrate how this works, but it's real simple. Anything you put heat on here is going to be absorbed in the material, and then you could easily solder things and not worry about things combusting or melting. Really cool idea. So what do I think about the Honeycomb ceramic soldering board for jewelry or for electronic soldering? Really cool product. As I demonstrated, it works really well. Very simple, inexpensive. Something you want to have if you do any kind of soldering or welding. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.